Hi guys! Welcome to Spawn Point. Ayan, maglalakad tayo dito sa Spawn Point. Dito lang kami sa tabing dagat today. Ayan, Spawn is a narrow sun tidal island located off the tip of the coast of the East Riding of Yorkshire, England, that reaches into the North Sea and forms the north bank of the mouth of the Humber Estuary. Just need checking the high tide and low tide for safety walking, guys. Ayan, guys. The southernmost tip is known as Spawn Head or Spawn Point. Ayan. Forma kasi siyang tadpole, parang baby frog ba? Forma niya. Kaya yung ulo niya tinatawag na Spawn Point. Ayan. Tawag yun ng tawag. Malayo ang lalakarin natin. It's a long walk if you go round. But need checking the low tide or high tide, guys, if you want to walk this place. And it's very relaxing. And dito kami sa tabing dagat. Nag-video kasi binabawalan kami noon. It's not allowed in the center. You know, it's near in the bunkers. There's a World War II bunkers there. The lodge in the middle. Kaya binawalan kami noon mag-video doon. Dito lang kami sa tabing dagat. We're just videoing in the seaside. Ayan, guys. Lakad lang. Ayan, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.